Well, what are we going to cook with our dog Barney?
Ugh. Well, where should I start? I want a cake with the liquid filling inside. I got a great idea! Starting to make a cake. Squeezing the cream onto the cake. Smearing with a spatula. Although, it would be much more convenient with a tongue. Now, we're gonna add a little hole in the center. Whoa! Here are some gummies. I am melting them. Whoop! This is amazing! And now, let's pour it into that hole. Closing it up. Done! Whoop, whoop! I'm amazing! Now we need some sprinkles. Look, it's just like my paws. And paws on top.
Well, this is really weird, but it's time for me to cook an amazing cake. Well. Let's make a hole in the center. Perfect. Now we need some chocolate paste. Its color reminds me of water. Some gummies. Those are little sharkies. It's like they're swimming there. It's yummy. Moving on. Oh, there's more candy over here. Let's put some M&Ms around the cake. A masterpiece. Oh, Barney, do you want to play? All right, catch the ball.
What's that? Who threw the ball into my cake? Oh, Barney, stop!
Oh, Wendy's cake is ruined.
I got the ball! I'm a good boy!
Oh no, Barney! You're a bad boy! You're in my cake! Oh, all I have left is a hub of bubble gum. Maybe I can make something out of it? Let's try to wrap chewing gum around the whole cake. We'll try to hide all the devastation. Well, that's a lot better. Now, pouring liquid Hubba Bubba into the center. Whew, it was not easy, but it turned out beautiful.
Hooray! Ow! I can't wait to try these cakes! Starting with a pink one. Taking a bite. Whoa, just like in my drawing! And look at those bubbles! Moving on! Blue cake! Whoa! So much chocolate paste! And look at those sharks! Whoa! I really like it! And now, let's try Barney's cake! He did a good job! And there's something delicious inside! That's the winner! Woof woof! My cake has won! I'm the best chef! What do I want now? I want popcorn!
Oh, that's a good idea.
Oh, great! I'm going to make the best popcorn for Danny. Pouring corn kernels into the pan. Whoa! We need to add something delicious. My favorite dog food! Woof woof! It's so good! I'm jealous of Danny.
Barney. Oh.
Now, pouring popcorn into a bowl. Let's change the sticker to Danny's.
Oh, how sweet. You're doing great, Barney. I'm starting to make popcorn for Daddy, too. I have a brilliant idea. I'm going to use marshmallows. It will be delicious. waiting for the marshmallows to start melting and the corn kernels to explode. Oh, looks incredible. I can make whatever I want. I'll make colorful balls, pouring strawberry syrup over everything. Some colorful sprinkles. And my dish is ready. Wendy?
Oh, they did such a great job. Well, Barney's is so-so. I know how to make my regular popcorn better. I'll put more corn kernels in the popcorn machine. And here's the dynamite for it to work faster. Wow! So much popcorn! What do you guys think?
Wendy, look up. Something's flying right at you!
Oh no!
Wendy, wake up!
Okay. Whew. Well, my popcorn is ready.
Whoa! Where should I start? So much popcorn! It's a whole mountain! But the taste is pretty ordinary. Ooh, what is that? Looks weird. Blech! It tastes like dog food! Well, time for popcorn from Chef. I've never seen anything like this. It's fun to stretch. Ew, it's definitely the winner!
I've won! This victory was too easy.
What do I want to eat now? Oh, cook me a burger, please. What? A burger? The idea is great. Let's start making minced meat. This one's for cutlets. I'm using small eggs. That's it. Let's fry it in a frying pan. Adding some cheese. My secret ingredient. Dog food. Oh, this is so nice.
Well, here's my burger. What? Yours is bigger than mine? I can't face it. I'll think of something now. I'm going to need some chocolate ice cream. We put it in a blender. I think that's enough. Pouring some milk in. Some chocolate syrup over it. Oh, delicious. It remains to mix everything up. We put the burger on a glass with a chocolate milkshake and inserting a straw. What do you think?
Oh, Chef, this is brilliant. Well, my idea is great too. I'll make a sweet burger out of a donut. I can't open those pineapples. Ooh, Barney can help me. His claws are very sharp. Great! Let's use a pineapple ring, some gummies, and a lot of layers. Strawberry syrup on top, and another piece of bun. Oh, I'm ready!
You did a great job and cooked wonderful burgers. I'll start with the biggest one. Dog food again? I'm a human being. Ew. Ooh, what's that? There's a milkshake here and a burger on top. Cocktail is delicious. And so is the burger. Time to try the most unusual donut burger. Oh, it's a sweet burger. It's really delicious. I definitely give this burger a victory.
Yoo-hoo! The victory's mine! I'm sorry.
We are ready to start.
Hello, everyone! We're going to make a pie. Please, make it quick!
Everything is clear. I'm gonna be the first to start. We need flour, making a small hole. Now, we take an egg. We're breaking it right into this hole and adding a bit of milk. Vegetables. Chopping an onion and potatoes. We've got small pieces. It will taste better this way. Some salt. Whoa! Check this out. Putting in some minced meat. Nice! Let's smooth everything out. Now I need to cover the pie. Look at those strips of dough. Ta-da! Smells good.
What? Oh, here's a pie for you. Satisfied? Eat and don't distract me.
Oh, the dough is incredible. So light and airy. Putting it on the bottom of the mold. Carefully smoothing everything out. And removing the excess parts. Cutting the strawberries. Let's put it inside. Oh. Making some jam. Pouring it in. It's made out of fresh raspberries. It will be very tasty. Now some more strips on top. Smells divine. Time to put it into the oven.
What's going on here anyway? Whoa! That's a beautiful pie and mine is not a pie at all. I have to do something. I've got an idea. Hey, doggy. Do you want a bone? Bring it back to me soon. I don't have much time. I need to do everything fast. Someone's coming.
Well done, Lindsay. What a beautiful pie. Mine has already arrived. It's so perfect. Doggy, go back to your seat.
I think I've been tricked.
Everything is ready.
Wow! That's beautiful! So mouth-watering. No, this does not look like a pie. Well, let's give it a try. A strange cherry. Ew. Let's have another one. Whoa! It smells divine. Biting it? Wow, it's delicious. I like it. Now this one. Wow, that's interesting. Guys, this is fantastic. We have a winner. Me? Oh, hooray! I've won!
You little thief! Oh, it's not fair!
Oh! Help me! He wants to beat me up!
Guys, no!
I'll never forget that.
You shouldn't have done it!
Oh, let's keep going.
Well, your new task will be a cake. It's as simple as that.
I'll show you how to make a cake. We start with spreading the cream. Now, we need to smooth it out. I want it to be perfect. Here's another layer and some more. Now, cutting off all the excess parts. Like this. Awesome! Now we put more cream all over the cake. I'm using as much as possible. Now let's smooth it out. A couple of details left. Whoa, I already like it.
That's a masterpiece. I'll show you now. I'll come up with something better. Let's wait. Whoa! Here is the delivery. Thank you so much. And here is my beautiful cake. Awesome! I almost forgot. Just a second. I'm sorry. I don't have any money. Hey, Grandma. Can you help me? Yay! Thank you, Grandma. Love you. Here you go. I found the money. Goodbye. No, I won't give you any more money.
Now let's decorate everything with cream, but first, let me give this cake a heart shape. Oh, it's going to be incredible. Now pink cream. I think baby loves this color. Oh, this is a masterpiece. We're ready.
Wow, so many different treats. And they're all so beautiful. Let me start with the heart-shaped cake. It must be very good. Yummy! Delicious! I really like it. So, who is next? I'm gonna try this chocolate masterpiece now. Whoa! Let's see. This is just awesome! And the last one. Let's see what's inside. Whoa! So cool! And comfy to hold. Delicious! This is the